Hey everyone, John Martinez here with my lovely co-host,
Zoe Martinez, and today is episode 3 of the 90-day video challenge. In today's video, we're going to talk to you about the power of creating a strong vision.
Very good. Thank you, Zoe. That's right. So today's episode is all about creating a compelling and powerful vision for your future. And I want to talk to you about this topic because recently I've been reading this book called The 12-Week Year on the suggestion of Chris Celeste, whom, as you all know, if you are in the elite community, is just killing his goals, and he's always at the top of the leaderboard. So I decided to take on the challenge of tackling the 12-week year and implementing all of the practices of creating a plan around every 12 weeks. And today, when I was reading this morning, I had come across a chapter that was discussing the power of creating a compelling vision. And the vision, your vision is basically the impetus of what drives you to do what you do each and every day. And it's important that when you create that vision, that it's compelling and powerful, and it's actually much grander than what you're accustomed to. And because if you just have a simple, goal or vision that doesn't drive you forward, then you're kind of going to stay stuck in place and not move forward. So your vision is basically your reason why you do what you do each and every day. So, like I mentioned, you want to make sure that when you're creating that vision, first of all, it should be a fun exercise in doing it. And so you want to kind of picture yourself, 12, 18 months, 36 months out in the future of what you want your life to look like. And again, you want to make it big enough so that it really pushes you to get out of your comfort zone, because by being out of your comfort zone is the one and only way that we really, really start to grow and move into that next level, if you will. So that's what we have for you today.
I hope you like this video. Make sure to click the link down below. Ciao for now.
Bye.